Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV17. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Dyson SV17 is making a horrible noise, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a failing motor, which can become noisy as it ages or if it's been subjected to blockages. If left unaddressed, this problem can lead to further damage, ultimately making your vacuum unusable. To resolve this issue, we need a few tools. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor for the Dyson SV17, and some safety gloves to protect your hands. First, let's open the Dyson SV17 safely. Begin by ensuring that the device is unplugged. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. Carefully lift the top cover, taking care not to force it, as there are clips that might be holding it in place. Gently wiggle the cover until it comes free. Now, let's locate the faulty motor. Once the cover is off, you'll see the motor assembly. It's usually found in the center section of the device, and it will be connected to several cables. To extract the motor, start by disconnecting these cables. Take note of where each cable connects, as you'll need to reconnect them later. Be gentle while removing the connectors to avoid damage. After that, look for the screws securing the motor in place. These are typically a few small Phillips screws. Remove them with your screwdriver, applying steady pressure to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. With the old motor removed, take your new motor and position it in place. Secure it with the screws you just removed, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened to avoid damaging the threads. Reconnect the cables as per your notes, making sure they fit snugly into their respective connectors. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, let's close up the Dyson SV17. Place the top cover back on, ensuring that all clips and tabs align correctly. Replace the screws at the base to secure the cover firmly. Once everything is back in place, plug your vacuum in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly clean the filters and empty the dust canister. Additionally, avoid vacuuming large debris that could cause blockages. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.